Flipkart listing and the procedures to do them. Welcome back guys, this is Yug from Big Faction. So today we will learn about what is Flipkart listing and what are the procedures to do so. Let's begin. What is Flipkart listing? Listing is basically adding a product which you want to sell onto a website. In this case, Flipkart. Now I will show you the procedures to do them on a screen.
Log into your seller account, move your cursor to listings, and from the drop down menu select add listing, or you can click on my listings. Select the vertical or category of your product. On the second tab, select and check the brand you want to sell. If the brand has been approved, click on create new listing. Add your product photos in quantity of 5. On the right hand side, give price, stock and shipping information. On the second tab, give your product description. And on the third tab, you can give additional description, which is optional. I recommend you to fill it to increase your product's visibility. Click on save and scroll up and click on send to QC. The submission is successful. Here you can see the QC is in progress. After the quality check from Flipkart team, your listing will be active. Happy listing and happy learning.
For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.